Alright, I gotta get to Flower's workshop, also her house. And I got to let her know the news.
I can't wait for Marigold to tell me her surprise. I'm just going to dance until she comes.
Alright, Flower, I'm here and I'm ready to tell you the news. I'm ready to tell you the news. So, my mom's having a baby.
Wait.
My mom's having a baby.
I'm so happy for you.
Yeah, I'm gonna be a big sister.
I'm so happy for you.
And you're gonna be like an aunt, because you're my best friend. Since you're like an aunt, you're going to be, since you're like my best friend, since you're my best friend, you're going to be the aunt. Alright, let's go inside. We gotta get to work. Alright, we better get inside. We gotta get to work.
Okay, wait. Yeah.
Let's get going.
Doors.
Alright. Alright, I'm gonna head upstairs and work. I'm gonna head upstairs and work.
Okay.
This is the bedroom area. I love the fun. I love Christmas. 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 Oh! Yeah, I was singing. Why?
You have a beautiful singing voice.
Well, I think you do too.
And I think you should go attend a concert.
Do you think I should make a music video or something?
Yes.
You want to see my decorated house? There's also some baby supplies in there.
Sure.
My mom's pregnant right now.
I don't know how, but our bakery just turned into, well, our workshop just turned into a donut.
Bakery. It's a bakery now?
Yeah.
I can't believe that you turned your whole house into a bakery.
I know.
This is the outside.
Okay, I take it.
Alright, let's get inside. Alright. So it's our stockings. You can see the baby crib.
Fireplace.
And the Christmas tree.
Wait, how far along is your mom? Like 8 months, 9 months?
She just got pregnant.
Okay, so 1 month.
Wait, no, not 1 month. She actually literally just got pregnant and told me. And she wanted me to tell you, so here I am telling you. Also, have you didn't notice I got a new necklace? It looks exact. Are you okay, Flower?
Yeah, just faced it.
What are you doing? You're stuck. Okay. Is there any Christmas stuff?
Okay, where are you?
Alright, I'm right here. This is my mom's bedroom with the crib. And here's her computer. My mom's not home right now. She's out getting stuff for the baby.
Okay.
Is that a security camera up there? Is that a security camera?
Huh?
Flower, is that a security camera? Right there. Look up.
Yeah, that's a security camera.
I'm surprised. I never noticed that.
Yes,
I never noticed that. Did you notice that we had the same necklace?
I did notice that, but that's suspicious.
Maybe we should get out of her room. She might yell at me.
Let's check your room. Check your room for cameras. Check your room. I see one. It's right there. Right there.
How dare she? I'm gonna go take that off soon. How would she ever put a camera in my bedroom?
The cameras might be on her computer. We can disable them. I'm a hacker.
I'll do it. Flower, I'll do it.
Okay.
Alright. Get into
Gotta
disabling.
have it, though.
Get into disabling. And bleep, 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 bleep. I disabled them.
That's a puppy.
Yeah, I just did. If that came up, I think that's my mom's background. That's my mom's That's my mom's computer background, apparently.
Permission to go on your computer.
I'm gonna turn it off.
No, give me permission for a sec.
Oh, I got it.
Here, let me help you.
I'm going to disable, and there.
Wait, that was the wrong button. Oops. I think that just turned off the power.
Alright, the computer's on. Get going. Another puppy!
I need a permission.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Scroll through here.
Oh, I didn't know my mom played Roblox.
I guess so. I'll keep doing it. A little bit of this, that, and disabled.
Yeah, okay.
And done.
My mom's gonna be home in any minute, so I should be getting back to work. We should probably get back to work
Get back to our bakery.
before she gets back.
Hopefully your mom doesn't notice the cameras at this
Yeah.
door.
Oh no, I just locked my door. Alright, now I gotta use this button to lock the door.
I'm gonna repaint the bakery sign.
Alright, you do that. I'll be inside. Flower, the door's locked. Hold on.
Hold on.
Give me permission.
Hold on.
It's raining. I gotta get inside.
Okay, hold on. I'm almost done. No! I messed it up.
Flower Marigold?
I messed it up.
Is this our Flower and Marigold's bakery? Is this gonna be called Flower and Marigold's Fun Bakery?
Fun bakery, yeah.
I need to get inside. It's freezing out here.
Stay underneath there. Are you still bakery?
Flower, trying to give me permission so I can unlock the door whenever I need to.
Let's unlock the doors.
Can I have permission, please?
Oh, permission? Yeah. And now you have permission.
Alright, now I'm gonna get upstairs because is it okay if I sleep over here tonight?
Yeah.
Because I don't want to get home and have my mom be mad at me. Hope she doesn't realize we disabled the cameras.
I'm going to be working on the...
Alright, I'm gonna be in the freezer.
I'm working on the dough. Okay. Wait, am I missing something? Let me check the freezer. Wait. Wait. Marigold. Never mind. It might be behind in the project. No, I'm looking for flour. Oh, there it is.
Hey, Flower, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm just preparing the dough.
Oh, okay. I'll be on in a minute.
Flour, roll the dough. Okay, let me check up on these. Not done. Turn them off. Here.
Alright, Flower, I'm done. And boy, is it cold in there.
Yep, I bet. And put that. The cake, the first cake of the day is done.
Alright, I'm gonna grab a hammer. I don't know why.
Wait, where's the hammer?
Well, I am going to be making something. So I've happened to have one in my pocket.
Oh man, I forgot to grab this. I forgot to grab the.
Alright. So I'm gonna work on some stuff, okay?
Okay. The freezer is soundproof.
Alright. It's time to get to work.
It's not here.
Alright. I'm going to I'm going to like fix Flower's bathroom because she says it's really cheap, so I'm gonna start fixing it. What? Flower needs help! Flower needs help! Flower needs help! Flower, I'm coming! You're free! Ah! I was just fixing your bathroom because you said it was not as sturdy, and you called for help, and I just had to drop the hammer and come over. Well, I'm gonna go get back upstairs to fix your bathroom, okay?
Okay, I need to watch.
3, 1, okay.
Roll out the dough. Oh wait, you have to turn these on. Oh wait, I think it's something upstairs. My bedroom.
1, go.
I don't see it here. I might have left it in the bathroom. Oh, hey Marigold.
Hi, I'm fixing my bathroom right now because you said it was really unsturdy.
Okay, I'm just going to see if I left anything in here.
Alright.
Nope. Okay.
I can't believe Christmas time is here. I mean, last year when a couple days ago, my childhood home exploded.
That's true.
Yeah, and you were there for it because you were also heading there.
It's 2:08. The bakery is closed.
Alright. Is it okay if I stay here with you, Flower? Because I don't want to go home. I'm too scared to go home.
It's okay. Hopefully your mom doesn't come knocking on the door. We're banging on it. Who's banging at the door?
Oh no, it's my mom!
You stay up there. Hi, Mrs. Marigold, Mom. Are you looking for... Hi, Mrs. Cooper. Are you looking for Marigold?
Yes! She's gonna be so grounded. Cause
Well, she's not here. I think that's after leaving the house, going to town.
Alright, I'll check town, but if you lie to me, I swear.
Okay, bye. Marigold, we're in so much trouble.
Oh shoot, what happened?
I just told her you're in town, and she said, if I'm lying, we are in so much trouble.
Uh-oh.